Hey, what's up, Tron holder? So, what's going on, my millionaire brother? Tron is starting jumping like a rocket, and therefore, I'm very happy. This is very surprising for everyone, and I have one surprising surprises also in this video. But I have also one good news for Tron holder. So, keep watch this video every second, and this video is very important for Tron holder. Yes, keep watch this video. Let's start the price prediction of Tron coin. Let's get started, my friends. But before I get started, please click out the subscribe button. Please, I hope you subscribe. If you are new on our YouTube channel, then most welcome to our YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, let's start the price prediction. Please click out the subscribe button. This time, my friend, if you can see here, this one I gonna show you the last 1 hour chart. I gonna show you two more chart in this video, so keep watch this video. Every second is very important. You can see here on the chat after in minus 2.51%, they are going down very badly, down very fastly, down. Why they going down? Can you someone tell me in this video? I think this is the reason to every cryptocurrency is going up, then they're going down. And those days I cannot, man, I cannot. Oh my goodness, this time I cannot say this to they gone up. And upcoming days, and soon they gone up, because in the previous days all cryptocurrencies gone down. When all cryptocurrencies go down, then Tron is going up. I can't believe this. To how is it possible to TRX gone and the previous 7 days up? But and this time you can see here at the last 1 hour they starting dumping. I can't believe this. Let's check out. This time you can see here the 0.14595 US dollar as the latest price. Let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result is going very important, and you can see here they are gone good. So congratulations, my Tron holder brother, millionaire brother. Congratulations, they make you millionaire. They give you good profit at the end of this video. What you say? Can they are in the morning? I hope they're gone in the morning. They give you a very good profit. They make you millionaire. They give you the price is increasing hour by hour, day by day. You can see here this time the 123 US dollars 0 point. Sorry, this is the price of latest price of TRX. So I hope in upcoming days they're going easily. They can cross it 1 US dollar. If they're going like this, you can see here this is very good chant. This is good chant occur. Let's check out the last 7 day result to what's going on in the last previous 7 days. Oh my goodness. Therefore, I see this channel, then my mind is stopped working. My mind is stopped working to how is it possible if all cryptocurrencies, all crypto markets goes down, and how is it possible to Tron is going up? This is very crash result, my friend. 0.15459 US dollar is the latest price of last 7 days. And I hope my expectation is very good from a Tron TRX coin. Therefore, I guide you. I suggest you to please buy it. If you have any plan to buy more, then I think these days are very good for you to buy it. Those days, if you buy it, then at the end you sell it. Then I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. The good news is that I do a giveaway of TRX 5,000 coin giveaway is coming soon. You complete my 10,000 subscribe. Most welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, I guide you. I updating you. Personally message me on Instagram. I guide you. Okay, if you are new on market cap. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.